Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses model GG1157S in color code 001. The color of the frame is black. On the glasses are protective bags to make sure that the frame doesn't get scratched or damaged. The lenses are gray and these glasses are a round shape. On its temple, you'll find the Gucci logo in gold. On both sides. You'll also find the Gucci logo engraved on its top right lens. On the inner right temple is again the Gucci logo that is made in Italy and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 50 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary, a Gucci dust bag with the Gucci logo on it, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, and a Gucci envelope which holds a Gucci card of authenticity and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is carrying. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.